Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to learn about logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. And logic gate is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to discuss about logic gates. A logic gate is an idealized or physical electronic device which is implementing a Boolean function or a logical operation performed on one or more binary inputs which produces a single binary output. And the table is used to represent the Boolean expression of a logic gate function is commonly called a truth table. A logic gate truth table shows each possible input combination to the gate or circuit with the resultant output dependent upon the combination of the inputs. For suppose here we have two truth tables. So in that the first one has two inputs A and B, and the second one has three inputs A, B and C. So with two inputs, so suppose just assume the inputs are 0 and 1. How many combinations we can perform? We can perform 4 combinations like a 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so the total number of combinations depends on the total number of inputs. Okay, so the total number of combinations equals to 2 power n. N means number of inputs. So here we have 2 inputs, so that's why 2 power 2 equals to 4 combinations we will get, that are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. If in case of 3 inputs we have A, B and C input, so 2 power 3 equals to 8, so we will get 8 combinations here. Coming to our basic gates, the first one is AND gate. Okay, here this is a circuit symbol for AND gate, and this is a truth table for AND gate. This is the Boolean expression C equals to A and B. This is not A into B, this is A and B, and symbol is this one. Okay, so AND gate gives the output depends on every gate gives the output depends on the input only. Okay, but in case of AND gate, whenever the all inputs are high, then only the output is high. When all the inputs are high, then only the output is high. In case of remaining combinations, the output is 0. Okay, this is a circuit symbol. Suppose here we give 0 at A and 0 at B, so then we will get C equals to 0, means output equals to 0. Suppose coming to the next gate, that one is OR gate. This is the circuit symbol for OR gate, and this is a truth table. This is a Boolean expression. Here this this one is a symbol for Boolean expression for OR gate. This is Boolean expression, this is operation. Okay, so so in case of OR gate, at least one input should be high to get output high. So otherwise we can tell like this: the output is high when at least one input is high. At least means both the inputs may be high. So coming to the OR gate, symbol is this one, circuit symbol and the truth table, and this is a Boolean expression for the OR gate. So in case of OR gate, the output is high. The out here in NOT gate we can see this inversion, a b equals to a bar. This one is b equals to a bar, means output equals to input bar. Okay, inversion to the output. So as it is, so c equals to a and b in case of AND gate, c equals to a dot b old bar in case of NAND gate. Okay, this is simply reverse to the AND gate. So so coming to the XOR gate, so XOR gate is a bit different. XOR gate and XNOR gate are both are special gates. Okay, so when both the inputs are different to each other, when both the inputs are different to each other, means like 0 1 1 0, in that case only we will get high output. Otherwise in case of same inputs like 0 and 0, 1 and 1, will get 0 here. So and the boolean expression for the XOR gate is c equals to a XOR b, and this is the symbol. Okay, coming to the XNOR gate, in case of XNOR gate, this is XNOR gate is opposite to the XOR gate only. Okay, so when both the inputs are same, when all the inputs are same, then only we'll get high output, otherwise 0, means low output. Okay, and the symbol for XOR gate is this one. Okay, and boolean expression is here, this one. Okay, thank you.